And as a special tribute to our wonderful Canadian hosts, Red One is putting the red and white smoke on for a special Canadian version of Short Diamond. As the aircraft roll out across the waterfront, Red One's cadence and commands keeping the formation tight and symmetrical. Well, as you've already heard, the Red Arrows are extremely privileged to be here in Halifax. It's the start of our 11-week tour in North America, where we are promoting the best of British. And the Red Arrow's motto is Éclat, meaning excellence. And excellence is something we strive for in everything we do, both in the air and the ground. And through our displays, our engagement and our fly pass, we aim to inspire the next generation of pilots, of engineers, and inspiring those people to follow their dreams, whatever they may be. As we look out to our right-hand side here on the waterfront, Red One bringing Short Diamond back in, about to transition into the next of our formations. Well, there are several anniversaries that we are celebrating this year, historical events both in North America and across the world. One of these is the 50th anniversary of the Apollo moon, and to celebrate that,